Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to delete a status within ClickUp. So now let's say you have changed up your workflow as a company, and so now you need to get rid of a status that is no longer functioning for you or what have you. So let's go ahead and go into wherever you have that status stemming from. So if that's a list, a folder, or a space, you can go into there. So I made one on our space. So I'm going to go to task statuses here. So now make sure that you have all of your tasks out of that specific status. So then you can delete that without having any issues with your data or with your records. So let's go ahead and select the one over here that we want to get rid of. So now I want to get rid of sampling. We don't really use that at all. So I clicked the three dots. I am going to delete status and apply changes. There we go. It is super simple. So let's go ahead and go back to the space and then to the folder, and we can see that sampling is now gone. But hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials in the description down below.